How to make a Lyft account. First thing first, you have to make sure that the application Lyft is already installed on your device. If not, you can head over to your app store and then install it. Once you have the app on your device, open it. Simply tap on Get Started. Over here it says to sign up or log in, enter your number. You can either continue with your phone or continue with your Apple ID. If you want to create your account through your Apple ID, then click on Continue with Apple. Then you will be prompted to enter your Apple ID's password. And then you will be able to create your account. But if you want to create it through your phone number, then you simply have to select your country and then enter your phone number accordingly. Once you have entered, one verification code will be sent to your phone number. You have to copy that code and then enter it in here. Once you have entered the code, you have to follow the on-screen process, and then your account will be created successfully, and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can make Lyft account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. Well, if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.